You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with finding the midpoint between 2 points. The midpoint between the 2 points is -73.5, -30. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the midpoint using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals -65, y1 equals -35. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals -82, y2 equals -25. PM represents the midpoint of the 2 points. Use the x values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints x. x1 equals -65. x2 equals -82. Simplify the arithmetic. Use the y values in the midpoint formula to find the midpoints y. y1 equals -35. y2 equals -25. Simplify the arithmetic. And so, the midpoint is -73.5, -30.